Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unlink your phone number in your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first. Here's our TikTok app. When you unlink a phone number, it makes your TikTok account much less unsecure. So only change your number or unlink your number unless you need to, or don't do it, because it helps to make your account secure. Okay, now to do that, let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button on the bottom right corner of our phone. And after that, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there and you can see the settings and privacy option pop out. Tap there and you can see the manage account option over here. Just go there and you can see the phone number over here. And after you get here, when you want to unlink your phone number, if you have turned on your two-step verification, you will need to turn it off. To do that, just go back and let's go to the security and login, and you can see the two-step verification over here, and I have currently turned it off, so you can turn it off from here. And now let's go to our account and let's unlink our phone number by tapping there. And you can see the change phone number and the unlink phone option pop out. Let's tap on the unlink phone and you can see the continue to unlink option pop out. Tap there and a code will be sent to you on your phone number. You need to wait a sec. So there guys, our phone number has been successfully unlinked. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.